Imagine a car that combines rugged adventure with cutting-edge technology, a vehicle designed to take you anywhere while keeping you connected and safe. The all-new Subaru Forester 2025 is here, and it's about to change everything you thought you knew about SUVs. Hey there, Revamp Cars family, welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of automobiles. I'm your host, Your Name, and today, we're taking an exclusive look at the highly anticipated Subaru Forester 2025, a game-changer in its class. But before we get into what makes this SUV so special, let's talk about why drivers are demanding more from their vehicles than ever before. Scene transitions to footage of people stuck in traffic, families struggling to fit gear into smaller cars, and off-road adventures gone wrong due to poor performance. In today's fast-paced world, finding the perfect balance between everyday practicality and weekend adventure can feel impossible. Many SUVs promise versatility but fall short when it comes to safety, space, or advanced tech. And if you love exploring off the beaten path, forget it, most vehicles just aren't built for that kind of ruggedness anymore. That's where the Subaru Forester 2025 steps in. It's not just an upgrade, it's a reinvention of what an SUV should be. So, what exactly sets the 2025 Forester apart? Let's break it down. First up, the design. This isn't your average boxy SUV. With its aerodynamic shape and premium finishes, the Forester 2025 looks as good in the city as it does on the trail. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that feels more like a luxury lounge. With seating for 5, plenty of cargo space, and state-of-the-art tech, including wireless charging and voice-activated controls, this is one comfortable ride. Under the hood, the Forester delivers serious power without sacrificing efficiency. Its legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive system ensures confidence no matter the terrain, while improved suspension keeps every drive smooth and stable. And let's not forget safety. With Subaru's latest eyesight technology, you'll have eyes everywhere, literally. From collision avoidance to blind spot monitoring, the Forester has your back. This is the moment we've been waiting for, the Subaru Forester 2025 proving itself as the ultimate all-rounder. Whether you're commuting to work, packing up for a road trip, or venturing deep into the wilderness, this SUV rises to the occasion every single time. It's not just a car, it's a lifestyle. And trust me, once you experience it, there's no going back. The Subaru Forester 2025 isn't just an evolution of its predecessors, it's a revolution. With unmatched capability, luxurious comfort, and top-tier safety, it checks every box for modern drivers. If you're looking for a vehicle that truly does it all, this might just be the one. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Subaru Forester 2025, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Revamp Cars for more automotive awesomeness. Don't forget to comment below and tell us what feature excites you the most about this incredible SUV. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep revamping your rides.